What's up, guys? Welcome back to another UBC Quickie Time. Today we have Abigalius Prime versus Yamilay Etienne. Girl Bladers, first to three. Let's get it. Round 1, 3, 2, 1, let it. Pretty boring fight so far. Let's see who's got the better stamina. Oh, Yamilay. Looks like she's in a little trouble. Oh! Looks like a little cat fight. Oh, nice hit. Oh, and Yamilay takes it. Wow. Oh, trap Yamilay in that corner over there. Kind of wobbly. Oh, nice hit. I think Abigalius has this one. See that? Oh, Yamilay looks like she's got a better position. Oh, survivor finish. Abigalius takes the V3-1. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.